Hi, Pavan.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine. Thank you.
Fine. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce about yourself, Pavan?
Yeah, ma'am. I am K. Pavan Kumar, and my native is Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, and but I am currently staying in Bangalore. I have completed my graduation in civil engineering from LAKSHMESWAR Institute of Technology and Sciences, and recently 2023 I have passed out, and I have also done diploma in civil engineering with in KVS Laboratory Institute of Technology and Sciences from in year 2020. But I have currently completed my coaching in CMTI and certified course in interior design and management. Yeah, and, that's all, ma'am.
Fine. So you have obtained this interior design and site management, right?
Yeah.
So what and all you learned in that?
Firstly, most important things are softwares. Man. We learned of AutoCAD and SketchUp mainly. It is which are very useful in our interviews and further in career. And we have also learned the Catalyst, and we have visited a lot of sites and factory visits, etc. For example, we have visited Viswa Panel Crafts, in which they prepare interior design, interior works like wardrobes and kitchen units, etc., which is very helpful for us. And I have visited lot of um, showrooms like Homeline, IKEA, Leave Space, etc., in which we have seen different types of designs which we can use in our designs and etc. That's it.
So now you're having a very good knowledge on interiors, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So what about your trainers and all, Pavan? How did their approach?
Yeah. Firstly, I need to speak about Ashok sir. Every day, as a CEO of this institute, he came to us every day and interacted with us very well, and he motivated us very well that to get a good placement in a good company, and he told us about about how the future is going to be in further in this field, and he is an inspiring character. And I need to speak about Natraj sir, and he teaches very well, and he teaches us in such a way that we can learn easily. If once we can listen SAR's class, we can learn it easily. That's it.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app, it is very useful, madam. If whether we can if in case any classes we have missed, we can see in that app, and we can learn about the missed classes, and there are a lot of things we can also learn in it, like measurements, and lot of it start softwares also, like starters for AutoCAD and SketchUp, etc. It is very useful for us. That's all.
So tell me this thing, why the certification course or a training it's needed for the freshers?
Because it is very useful for them, because nowadays knowledge is very important, ma'am. In colleges we don't learn lot of things that which are suitable for site in outside works. So if we learn this certificate course in CMTI, it is very useful, because lot of the lot of things we know in only in our sites only. Majorly, there are a lot of site visits, factory visits, which let us know how the things going to be work in our companies which we are going to replace. So it is very useful for people to learn about the things which you are going to do in your job roles, which will be helpful, which will be helpful a lot in their careers.
Fine. So, like, I hope you're happy with your placements.
Yeah.
Then, like, what about the staffs of CMTI? How was their approach throughout the process?
Yeah, ma'am. Mainly, I would like to thank Sweta Madam HR, who is our training and placement officer, who take cares about the placements. she told us about a lot of placement opportunities, and she gave opportunity to go to interviews and tell about show our skills to them. And she also guided us in such a way that interview they have given some questions, important questions for us to think, to do practice, which are going to be helpful in our job interviews, etc. So I would like to then.
Fine. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I would like to say them that if you are struggling with your career, or you are if you are in any confusion mode to whether to what to do and what not to do, just join CMTI. It will give lot of what I will say, lot of clearness and clearness in your future, for your future, etc.
So you'll get a very good clarity to
Yeah, yeah. That's the word.
right?
Yeah.
Whether it is a construction or interiors.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your feedback, Pavan. Hope all the best for your future upcoming days, and congratulations for your placements once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pavan.